We have a very impressive faculty with people who've done their PhD from the best institutions in the country, of course, and some worldwide too. We have faculty with PhDs from IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, XLRI, MDI, IIM Calcutta, Cornell, Carnegie Mellon, Stanford. Close to a decade back, GIM embarked on a journey of not just teaching, but putting a lot of emphasis on research. We invested quite heavily in terms of the kind of people that we brought in. We made a lot of seed money available for faculty, and we have a lot of research infrastructure that was put in place. So when at GIM, you have access to EBSCO, ProQuest, Science Direct, JGate, JSTOR, and so many more. In addition to that, you have state-of-the-art facilities. You have a very well-equipped library. You have a SAS lab. You have a finance lab. You have access to SAS, SPSS, Minitab, AMOS. You name it, you have research infrastructure. The next big thing that we are doing, we are setting up a behavioral lab. Probably be the first business school in the country to set up a behavioral lab with eye tracking equipment, with skin conductance, with EEG. We have both the faculty resource available as well as we have the infrastructure available at GIM.
In GIM, I think the best facilities available for the research is there in this institute. And the institute is very supportive for that. Whenever we put any requirement or whenever we have any requirement for our research project, we get that in very minimal time.
Hi, this is Kapil Khandebarkar. I'm a faculty at GIM in the marketing area from the past 5 years. I completed my studies from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, in the department of marketing as well, and my topic was advertising humor. Since I'm from Goa, GIM was a natural choice for me. At the same time, I've grown up here in Goa looking at GIM progress, so I never thought of going anywhere else. I mean, you are from Goa, why would you want to go anywhere else, right? So I took up a job here in 2015. GIM have developed a very sophisticated infrastructure in the classrooms itself. So obviously the classrooms are not going to be filled with students. The faculty only will be in the classroom, students will be at home. But the infrastructure developed, the cameras, the lightings, the sound, the acoustics and the bandwidths. Everything is going to help us in establishing a very strong online platform for the students who will be working from homes.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kiran K. I'm currently Assistant Professor at IT and Operations Management Department at Goa Institute of Management. I'm a PhD from Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore, where I did my thesis on communities of practice in quality improvement initiatives. As a young faculty, I joined here after my PhD work. So here I found a lot of encouragement to do my own research independently, as well as do research along with my fellow faculties and collaborators across the different institutes in the world.
Hi, I'm Rajesh Pathak. I have done my PhD from IBS Hyderabad in the area of market microstructure, and I teach here accounting and finance allied courses. I joined GIM in 2018, and since then, thanks to the research culture, the research infrastructure and the funding support at GIM, that I have been able to successfully publish more than 10 research papers in internationally reputed journals. I have also been able to present into conferences outside India. With the kind of research culture that we have at GIM is going to shape great talents and contribute immensely to the academic fraternity of management education.